Alright, today we're working on a 2008 Ducati 848. He said it was an EVO. Basically, they sent us the dashboard cluster and they sent us the ignition lock. So basically, we're going to make the keys from scratch. We're going to take these two blanks, figure out what the cuts are, put it on there, and then we're going to program the chips in them. Right now, the chips are blank. I got this little cheap device that I read keys with. You can see it's all zeros. And later on, the format of that chip will change after I write it. It'll put the data that it needs. Keep in mind the data is unique to every bike, so you just can't copy this data and put it on a key and expect your bike to start. So I'll show you just different states of the chip once I come back and when I'm done programming. Alright, we're back. This puppy is done. We made them two keys. As you see earlier, the keys is blank. Now I added the cuts. Key 1. On, off. Steering bolt lock pops out. That's key 1. Key 2. On, off. Steering bolt, park, and back to off. So basically these keys now have chips in them. Let me grab one of them and read it real quick. There it is. The information just changed from before. It was like a 20 T5 whatever with a bunch of zeros. Now that's actually the data that the bike needs to start anti-theft data. So and that's about it. So basically this is what we did. We did a lost key replacement for this from scratch. Customer sent in an ignition lock. Customer sent in the dashboard. We took the ignition lock, decoded it, figured out what the actual cuts are, cut the keys. And then second step, we took blank chips, put them in the keys, and read the data out the dashboard and programmed the chips with that data so the bike will recognize it. And we also have over here, we got this one looks like this is a 696, I think, Monster 09. So we actually, we do a few of these a week. Right now I have 3 of these that needs to be done. So if you're wondering if we have experience, do we know how to do it? Yeah, I mean, obviously, I got this one here. I got the 848. I got this one's the Monster. This is going to be the laser. Let me see, look at the ignition. Yeah, this is going to be the laser cut key. So we do variations of the Ducati stuff. And that's about it. You need our help, give us a call. We'll tell you what you need to send us. And that's about it. We can go from there. But if you need technical help, oh yeah, keep in mind we do not make keys by pin codes, because if we use a pin code, you could just do that on your end. I mean, there's no point for us to get involved. We literally do it from scratch. We have no pin codes, so we don't even provide the pin codes because we don't do it that way. We actually do it a different type of way that has nothing to do with the pin codes. We read the data from the bike, let the bike tell us what it needs, and then we write new chips. But again, you need our help, give us a call or go to the website www.acm locksmith group. Our turnaround time is usually about 48 hours. We need the package and then we could just turn it right back around. So if you're going to ship it, you figure 2 days to us, 2 days back. Give yourself at least 5-6 days, unless you're paying for express mail. Thank you.